Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I am sharing with you a review. I was contacted by the seller of this Monvict hot glue gun and they wanted me to give my review on this product. So with that being said, let's open this box. And again, this is coming from Monvict. We have, I want to say a mini. It comes with the instructions, the glue gun, the stand. Also have a little kickstand. Let's go. Then it looks like we have 10 colored glue sticks. We also have the 20 glue sticks. So let's put this together real quick. Very light in weight. Love the little point. Hopefully it'll be very handy for my DIYs. Go off the picture. Where's the kickstand? I don't see that at all. It also has a little suction. Has the suction cups to keep it anchored on the desk. Well, I'm gonna have it over here because I'm a righty. Seems like it's a long cord. Okay. So it has two different kickstands. The flyaway kickstand. Or you can utilize without the kickstand. We have a green light when it's powered on. We have the switch right here. Let's get into this video. Okay, today I want to create a wall mirror. If you all have been with me for quite some time, I don't know if I've mentioned it, but I believe I have, that I love circles. especially circle mirrors. So I'll be using these 4, and they are from Dollar Tree. And I will also be using these 4, and they are from Dollar Tree as well. I've had these for some time, as well as these. And I have the next size up, and I have several cases of these, the 9x5 black mirrors. So I've had these for probably like 2 years. And I'm gonna be using these beads. I am a gold girl, that's why I have them in gold. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs, and they have each pack. So I will be creating a DIY with these mirrors. So keep on watching. And I would like to thank the seller of this glue gun. Need to see what it's about to do. All right.
comes to you, no one really compares. But I'm scared and I'm nervous. I don't wanna get hurt anymore. I don't want nobody else. You know that you're fine as hell. I got ahead of myself. Finishing races and never begin. I don't want nobody else. You know that you're fine as hell. I get ahead of myself. Keep on telling myself, don't rush. It's a little crush. Don't need to worry about it. Don't need to figure it out. Don't rush. It's a little crush. Just let go. Don't need to figure it out. Don't rush. A little crush. Don't worry about it. Don't need to figure it out. Don't rush. It's a little crush. Just let go. Don't need to figure it out. Making time, not taking it to clear my doubt. much better, and I deserve a chance at new love. I don't want nobody else. You know that you want as hell. I got ahead of myself, finishing races I'll never begin now. I don't want nobody else. You know that you fun as hell. I get ahead of myself, keep on telling myself, don't rush, crush, don't worry about it, don't need to figure it out. Don't rush, it's a little crush, just let go. Don't need to figure it out. Don't rush, a little crush, need to worry about it, don't need to figure it out. Don't rush, a little crush, just let go. Don't need to figure it to worry about it, don't need to figure it out. Now don't rush, it's a little crush.
I dare you to fix me. I'm crossing the line again, falling on my knees. No stranger to pain, it's never ending, it's only something I can't forget. My heart won't let it rest, but you keep on forgiving. Admit that I'm afraid if I let go of this pain, am I completely betrayed? There's no air left to breathe. I'm drowning, vultures are circling me around it. I need to fight, I know it's just so hard to let it go. Shine a light I can see. Something I can't forget. My heart won't let it rest, but you keep on forgiving. Admit that I'm afraid if I let go of this rage, am I completely betrayed? Something I can't forget. My heart won't let it rest, but you keep on forgiving. Oh, admit that I'm afraid if I let go of this rage, am I completely betrayed? My heart, my love, my life, the price. It's hard to fight goodbye. shine a light I can see.
All right, everyone. Also, I will be sharing with you a Heaven's Pearls collab. This is a Father's Love collab 2021. We are to use Summerlike Colors, and we are continuing with our gifts of the Holy Spirit. And this month is Discernment. Here we have my table styling. I chose the colors for two reasons. The orange and the red is because I love these colors together and they are so beautiful. I have some red roses in my yard as well as some orange lilies. And then my father's love. I use my thinking figurine over there on that curio cabinet. I use the colors orange and black with the pop of red because one of my father's favorite football team is the Bengals. And also my daughter graduated from high school and her school colors are orange and black. And that's why I have the beautiful African figurine on that curio cabinet. So I hope you enjoyed my DIY as well as my beautiful table styling. I thank you all for stopping by. I thank the Heaven's Pearls for their continuous support and love, as well as everyone that participated in this collaboration. I appreciate your support and your willingness to always show up and show out for the Heaven's Pearls collab. I apologize for this short video, but you all will see me soon, and I will update you on all the fantastic things that will be going on with my channel. So if you all want to do a chit chat / call, please leave me a comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up. Please check out the playlist. Have a wonderful, safe, and blessed holiday. And I will see you all the very next time I upload. Bye-bye.